The difference between discrete and process manufacturing comes down to what you're making and how you're making it. Process manufacturing creates products by combining raw ingredients using recipes or formulas. This method irreversibly changes the ingredients through mixing, separating, or chemically altering them in batch or continuous mode. Examples are food and beverages, paints, pharmaceutical drugs, or chemicals. One of the main differentiators is that the finished product cannot be reversed to its original ingredients. Take paint, for example. Once it's made, you can't separate the pigment from the water. And if you're a process manufacturer, you need an ERP that understands what you need. That's why we want to give a shout out to Food Connects and Markov. They're manufacturing ERPs that specialize in all things process. Food Connects is best if you're a food and beverage plant, and Markov is great for chemicals or pharmaceuticals. With features like recipe management and traceability, they'll help optimize your batch production. Links to their product pages will be in the description below. On the flip side, discrete manufacturing involves assembling individual parts into finished products. These parts are quantifiable, so they can be physically counted. This method often uses bill of materials to put everything together step by step. Examples include cars, furniture, appliances, and clothes. A key difference from process is reversibility. With discrete manufacturing, the finished products can be disassembled into their individual components. You can take apart a computer and put the parts back into your stock to be reused. In process, this is impossible. In some cases, a company might do both for the same product. In this case, it's referred to as mixed mode manufacturing. Mixed mode is used when a product requires both assembly and chemical processing. A common example is cosmetics. You use process to create lipstick and then use discrete to assemble the packaging. For most cases, though, a company only uses one or the other. To quickly recap, discrete manufacturing assembles individual components into products you can disassemble, like computers or furniture. Process manufacturing takes raw ingredients and irreversibly changes them to create a new product, like food or beverages. If you perform both for the same product, it's called mixed mode. These differences are why it's so important to find an ERP that specializes in your production method. For a more thorough explanation, visit our Process versus Discrete Manufacturing page. And if you're ready to find a system that fits your needs, visit softwareconnect.com for a free consultation.